So what stops people really making money online? Good morning, guys. How are you? It's a beautiful morning down here at the marina. Well, there's three reasons. I want to touch on the main one, though. Well, first is wrong message. You're talking to the wrong people. And, well, maybe you're the wrong person as well. But if I just looked at the first one, the message, well, someone said, what do you mean I'm the wrong person? Or maybe you just don't appeal to them. Hey, not everyone can like you, so we just got to get over that. Certain people like us and certain people won't. I just moved straight on past that one. But you've got to give people a chance, put out lots of content and so they get to know, like, and trust you. Really, that's what you're trying to do there. But the messaging, this is one I really want to talk about. People start talking about their stuff, as if that's the important bit. All the pieces that's in their products or in the service that they're going to give away, and they think that the more they put in there, then that's better. For some reason, people are going to go, oh, wow, look at all that I get for my money. That's not what they want. In fact, sometimes, as the old saying goes, less is more. What your messaging should be about is the result it's going to give the person. Just remember that top line of the marketing equation. What people really want is the result. If they want to lose weight, how are you going to help them lose weight? Can you actually deliver that? You talk about how you can help them. If you're going to make someone $1 million online who's never done it before, they want to talk about the result you're going to give, not all the bits and pieces that's going to be in your offer or in your packaging, more brochures, more videos, more podcasts. Just give me that result and give it to me fast. That's what you got to talk about. Hope that's helpful, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.